Alright guys, my uploads have stopped because my Xbox just will not turn on. I don't really know what's happening. It normally is making like some weird buzzing noise. Go back, unplug it, look it a few times, plug it back in. There we go. So see, it like clicks and turns back off. I don't know what to do. I want to get it fixed. I don't really have time to go places though and get it fixed. People have said, yeah, take a hairdryer to it, but I don't have a hairdryer. I'm a guy. And my parents don't, my sister doesn't, so it's, yeah, epic. Don't really know what I want to do here. I mean, if you guys have answers, say them in the comments. Yeah, it's just not working. I mean, it turns on. No, it just makes a clicking noise and turns right back off. So, have answers, say them in the comments. If I don't get any answers in like a week, I'm just gonna go get it fixed. See ya.